All right, so once you do that, you get to this screen right here, and it says welcome, enter your name and all that. You do not have to enter your name. What you want to do instead is go to this one that says sign in if you have an Office 360 account. So you click on that. You might have to do it twice or something like that. And then you'll probably have to type in your school email address. I already did this, so I don't have to. So I just click on it, put in your password, and then it should take you to the Skype that we're doing. So it'll show this, initializing and all that kind of stuff. Skype Meetings app, and then it will go into the actual Skype meeting that we are going to be connected to. All right, and that's basically it. And then I'll show you really quick. Hopefully this will be on here. On the bottom, you can mute your, well, once it gets all done. On the bottom, you can show yourself if you want to. You don't have to. I will. You can mute your mic, which when I'm talking, you should do that because background noise is weird. And then if I wanted to, I could share like a PowerPoint or something like that if you wanted me to do that. And then there's a chat thing over here if you want to do a little chat conversation if your audio is not working. And that tells me who's in the Skype. So that's how it works. I'll put this on YouTube. Hopefully it will work. And we'll see you guys in a little bit.